You can't see the top of the mountain over there, and you can't see any mountains over there. Like, nothing. Good morning, guys. It's supposed to storm today. Look at the clouds already coming in. Already coming in. That's exciting. I'm excited. Are you excited? I'm still waking up, as usual. Every time I get outside, I'm still sleeping, kind of. But just started my walk to work. It's Monday? Monday. The first train runs on Saturday, so I think the tourists are gonna start coming into town real soon, which is good, really good. But I just want to say good morning. I hope you guys are having a good day. And it's windy. It's snowing? It's snowing. It's supposed to rain. What?
She got sick every year on purpose.
You get sick on purpose? Oh, Jesus. Well, that makes sense. So, it's supposed to rain later, but it got really cold, and now it's snowing instead of raining. So I guess it's gonna snow all day then, and not rain? And it did say it's gonna snow a lot tonight, so maybe it's just gonna snow a whole bunch. That'll be awesome. It's weird, it's like it doesn't feel cold enough to snow. But it is. I love this weather. Oh, you can kind of see it coming in. Kind of see it. We're all excited. And because it's kind of cold out, and a storm is coming, we've been a little slower today because people don't want to get stuck in the mountains. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. At least it better be, or a fun night. It's been thundering really, really, really loud. Look at that big cloud of rain. It's raining now. It's not snowing like it was earlier. So cool. It's snowing. No, it's snow. Lots of snow. Like a snowstorm. Like, not even kidding. It's snowing a lot. It's snowing a lot. Your favorite thing, the snow. Want to sing Christmas songs. Look at the snow now. Snow, so much snow. You can't see the top of the mountain over there, and you can't see any mountains over there. Like, nothing. Nothing. I love it. It's so cool. Oh, wait. It's gonna thunder, watch. That's awesome. It doesn't thunder very often while it's raining, or snowing. So cool. Okay, we're almost done. Today was kind of slow because it was cold and it started raining. Dinner closed early, so we can get out of here and go hang out where it's awesome outside. Walking home in the snow. That's the first time I've ever said that here in Silverton. Like forever. It's starting to stick, and it'll probably stick until it gets warm tomorrow morning, and then it will all melt. See? Snow. Oh, I know. The weather today has been awesome. I hope when I wake up tomorrow it will be snowing still and snow everywhere. We shall see. We shall all see together. But for now, this is good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching.